Morning. Today we're off to the waterfall. Cracking sleep last night.
Chasing waterfalls, to stick to the rivers and the We've not had enough sleep.
I said we've had enough sleep. We've fucking had. We've had about 5 hours. Yeah, let's go. You look ever so sexy, innit? Ooh, it's a smooch. I'll smooch if I want to. Stop poking me bum. I'm trying to sort the Insta out. I'm getting a fucking finger up my arse. And I like it. See, I told you, it distracted me that all. See how big you've made it now. Okay, let's go. Tap tap off. Yeah. So we are around the corner. I'm in one of those moods today. I'm in one of those moods today. But everyone around me is looking, what the fuck is that guy going on about? Wheelie. Here she is, look, sexy lady. Ooh. Cash. You didn't have enough cash? Why? What? Oh, something. So it was, oh, fuck, are we spent up for today? No money left for today now, guys.
Did I put that in there?
Can I stick my penis in your bum? Okay, let's go. We're ready. Finally. Mirror. Signal. Maneuver! You're up the hill. Can I see? Speed up. I was going to say we nearly took off, but then we fucked up. We got it. Whee! E.T. phone home! I say right then. We're nearly there, Slimmy Jim. And we're here. Oh, boom. Oh, fucking. We haven't got to walk all the way up there, have we? Oh, fuck for that. No, I think that is the Sky Bridge, isn't it? Right, let's sort shit out. Back in a minute. Just so you know, guys, where you come, it's 10 RM per person. And then we have that to climb. And that is where we are. There's all different levels. We are going up to, I think we're over level 3 there. It goes right up to level 7. This man's not going to level 7. No. We're taking you to waterfall. We'll see what the other ones are like. You don't need to see us climbing the steps unless I fall and break my neck, and then I might turn the camera back on. But otherwise, see us at the waterfall. We've hanged a left at 440 steps towards the waterfalls. Hanging out my hoop already. Well, that was fairly painless. We're going back down again now.
Then we're going to come back up.
Oh shit.
What goes down must come back up.
Oh. Oh, left's alright first. Do you want to see the waterfall or go for a dip?
Waterfall.
Okay. I can see a great big waterfall just up there. Let's go this way. Tell you what, guys, that is up there of one of the good ones I've seen, you know. Alright, see how close I can get to this bad boy. In fact, we're just going to have some quick photos. There's not many folk here. And then I'm going to try and get you up there. Fucking hell. I don't think I'm going much closer. That's a big drop off. Yep, it's a big drop. Do I want to jump it? In my flip flops. I'm doing it. No, I'm not. I don't know if I'll get back up if I do that. I don't know if you could walk that way around to get up there. I'm going back. That's a bigger drop than what I thought. Oh. It's alright, that is. Not so bad. I think there's some pools down here we can go. There's a little photo spot just there for all your Instagrammers. Right, we're going for a dip. Figure out how to get down there. But I definitely know there's another spot somewhere to go for a dip. I'm going to have a look over this edge. Oh wow, look at all these. I'm going for a dip in that one there. Yeah, I am. Slide down on your bum. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Just remember, you've got to try and get back up here, yo. We're going down. I could just slide down this on my horse, really, couldn't I? That'd be better. Is there a reason nobody else is down here? That looks like it could be an easier path, but still. Right. Slip-oop. Slip-oop. Civvy! Civvy, guys! In fact, hold on. Put you a bit closer. See if there's any fucking monkeys about. I don't want them grabbing my shit. Oh, that's cold. Go. That feels like an arse bath. Oh, fucking hell, look at that view from. Oh my god. Hey! Oh. You see monkeys about, they best not come and nick you. This is a fucking banging view from. I need to get you guys, hold on. Let me bring you in. Come on, come and join me. Nice and refreshing. Look at this behind me now. Oh. Okay, what? What? Missing a trick there, guys, wasn't I? Fucking nature spa. Doing a massage. Oh, beautiful. I'll tell you what, this is a must. We're here at 10:30. And as you've just seen, there's not many people here. Oh, get your sent down. Definitely worth it. Hey, all this fish in here. It's a bit slippy. There's fucking fish in here. Let's see if I can find them. Where are they gone? Fish. Yeah, fish. Hey, fishy. Right. Let's get myself back up there. Don't slip. Is my stuff going to be safe there, front monkeys? Probably not. Let me grab it, hold on. There's another pool down here. How's that one got rope on it? Is that for the monkeys? Do you reckon that's for the monkeys? Ugh. Tell you what, you could do some nature's. What's it down here? She's just seen me as well. I think she's seen me. Her eyes are better than me. She'll know what I'm on about. Come on then, let's try and get back up here. We're going to take in some of these views and then we're going to head off to some beaches. So give us half an hour to enjoy this and then we'll see you on the way back down. Bye. Oh, beautiful. We're heading back. We were just saying then, I've just realised the section where we was, if you take the steps further up, there's more pools up there where I think people go swimming and stuff. But I have heard people say obviously that's the best view, so I just jumped in that pool. And I say it was 10 RM per person to come in. However, since you've got, was there 7 levels? Did it say 6 or 7 levels? You could spend all day here. There's toilets, there's food at the bottom and stuff. So you could easily have a day out. But I've just found a nice little beach now where I can potentially drop somebody off at a lounger and I'm going to try and get across to a little island, I think. So I can't fucking sit still. So see us at the bottom. And just like that, power of YouTube, we're back at the bottom. Take me to the beach. He's going to stop us here, look. Hello. We're trying to get to the beach.
Sorry, the private hotel.
Is it? Okay. Any public beach here?
You turn right.
Turn right and keep going. Okay. Can I get across to there by walking through there, swim?
Sure, I think.
Yeah. So we're going to this beach, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I can go.
Yeah, you walk.
Yeah. Swim.
Yeah.
Don't walk.
Thank you. Right. We've asked him, we're off again. Have we found it? Is this it? I mean, there's a bar here, so this we do. Let's park in there like that. Hey, I tell you what, this is my kind of beach, little covey. I do want to get myself over there though. Right. Let's see how this goes. So I've got a feeling. Yeah, well, I'll be the tester then, see how deep it is. I'll be guinea pig. I bet you can get that way anyway. Yeah, guinea pig's gonna get wet balls. If people are walking there, are you going around that way? I'm already wet now. I'll see you around there. So I think what I've just done is I've just walked onto that private beach because it's all fenced off. So she's not going to get round. She'll figure it out. I'm going for a wander. Let's have a look. Oh, I'll tell you what, this is fucking stunning. I love these little covey type beaches. Dead nice, love them. Good views. She's over there and I'm trying to, me, go in that way. You, go for a drink, not suck cock, drink. See ya. I think she's understood the assignment, guys. I'm off. What's not very clear though, you can't see the fucking stones. Oh, Jesus Christ. Right. What I do is I put in the location where we are now. If you look at the map, we dropped ourselves off here, and then I've walked round to this private beach, or walking, and then I'm trying to get over to this little island thing. It's a bit like Cape Town or Seychelles with all these rocks. So that private beach, I'm guessing, is round that corner there where it says we want to lad. So it's got all them water villas. I think we looked at them. Fucking extortionate. That's our price budget. But I'm going to cross there. If I've got to swim, I've got a problem. Of course I've got rocks. The bike keys and the skyrocket. So we'll see how deep it is and we'll see how close I can get. See me in a minute because I don't want to drop you in water even though you're waterproof. It's got a bit deeper all of a sudden. Find the nip slip. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to make this. Getting deeper. Come on, you can do it. Right, I've made it, but I've got that slice in my foot and arm open, so maybe not the best idea. Is that princess walking over there? Is that her? Give me poor little. Fucking things I do for YouTube. I think I'm gonna go back. It is doable, but I'm getting fucking clarity everywhere. So I've sliced my foot open, sliced my arm open. So I'm gonna make my way back. But the thing is, you've got a tiny little beach there, and then the rest of it's just rock, and you've got to walk through it all. And I think I've sliced that one open as well. Right, see me back there. Looks like I've got 2 minutes of storage on this card, so I'm going to go back, swap the card and battery over, and then get a beverage. I think I deserve one after this. Don't snap your ankle, don't snap your ankle, Don't snap your ankle. Didn't snap my ankle. Fuck it. Right, I'm halfway back. I am only in Wells. There's some fucking stupid things I do. We've nearly made it. Whoop whoop. We're back. Was mission complete without being bashed up? No. Wound, wound, wound. Cock. You enjoyed yourself?
Yeah, have you?
Yeah. I made it.
Nice too.
That island.
Did you?
Yeah. Hey, if you're getting sunburnt on the shoulder, just let you know.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, right. Beverage. I deserve one. 2.
You got Carlsberg business.
Yeah. Thank you. Drinks accord. What is the plan now? That I know we're having a bev, and I know you're having a chill, and I potentially might get that kayak over there. But is that it for the day for these guys? Tonight we are going to do another video.
You want me to see me get my feet massaged? Mind you, something like that.
You
A
what?
feet massage.
Wait out, feet massage incoming, and I'm getting an all over massage, great rubbing it trouble. Lovely, thank you. Cheers. Cheers to you and all.